Eteri Tutberidze is a Russian figure skating coach. He was born 24 February 1974 in Moscow. She was raised in Moscow alongside her 5 older siblings. She is half Georgian, a quarter Russian, and a quarter Armenian. Her mother was a senior engineer at the Ministry of Agricultural Construction and her father worked at the Likhachev plant's foundry and as taxi driver. Tutberidze studied at the Academy of Physical Education in Malakhovka and received a degree in choreography from the Institute of Contemporary Art. During her 6 years in the United States, she lived in Oklahoma City, Cincinnati, Los Angeles, and San Antonio. Her daughter Diana was born on 16 January 2003 in Las Vegas. Diana was coached by her mother as a single skater till 2016 when she opted for ice dance. She has coached several skaters to success in international competitions, including Olympic and world champion Elena Zagitova, 2-time world champion and Olympic silver medalist Evgenia Medvedeva, Team Olympic champion Yulia Lifnitskaya, and 2021 world champion Anna Sherbakova. She is seen as one of the most successful figure skater of all times. Tutberidze began coaching in San Antonio, Texas. After returning to Russia, she coached at several Moscow rinks, including a hockey rink, Serebryanny, where ice time was limited for figure skaters. During the 1991 to 1992 season, Tutberidze trained under Tatiana Tarasova before deciding to perform in ice shows. Tutberidze began skating at the age of 4.5, guided by Evgenia Jalikova and then Eduard Plenar. After sustaining a spinal fracture and growing 22 cm, she switched from singles to ice dancing. She was coached by Lydia Kavanova for 2 years and then joined Elena Tchaikovskaya, who paired her with Vyacheslav Chichikin. After briefly training under Natalia Linichuk, Tutberidze switched to Gennady Ackerman, her coach for the next 3 years. She skated with Alexei Kiliakov until he immigrated to the United States.